Welcome and thank you for joining me today for Tai Chi-inspired walking. Now, whether you're a beginner and this is your first session, or you have been doing this for a long time and you've had a lot of practice, it's always good to get a refresher. So we'll start by just doing some centering, then we'll do a warm-up together, and then we'll go through the basics, the fundamentals, so we can start our journey walking. As we begin, remember to wear loose clothing you can move in and comfortable shoes. And to practice, you'll want to find a sturdy chair. Now this can be indoors or outdoors. Even a park bench would be perfect. Let's start in a comfortable position. Make sure your arms and shoulders are relaxed. And sit towards the front of your seat if you can, so you're not leaning on the back, so you can keep your back straight and your feet planted. Now, even as you sit, you can feel rootedness. Rootedness isn't just for standing. So as you sit, feel your feet connected to the floor and your sitting bones supported by the chair. So this will be your foundation. Now you want to breathe deep. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, and you want to breathe from your diaphragm. So one way to feel that is you can put your hand just a few inches under your belly button. That's where your dantian is located. So you want to breathe deeply from there and breathe out to help you relax. Sit up straight, loose arms, be connected, and let's begin. We'll start with shoulder rolls to the back. Now you're going to breathe in when you go up and out, going down. One more, in and out. Now go forward. Breathe in again and down. Breathe in. One more. Now you're going to slowly tilt your head to one side. Breathe in. Breathe out. In through the nose and out. Switch opposite sides. Breathe. One more big breath. And raise your head straight forward. Now you're going to circle your nose. Just make circles with your nose. This is going to loosen up your neck. Get the top of your body loose. Just a few more. Okay, let's put our hands on our waist, and you're going to do hip circles. Go to one direction. It's a little different doing it when you're sitting down, but it's just to get your bones moving, your joints loose. And now let's switch and go the other direction. Just kind of get you moving in your chair, parts that you wouldn't normally move as you're sitting. All right, now let's work the knees. So you're just going to raise your feet up onto your tippy toes. This is going to be for your calves, your toes, your feet. We want everything moving. There you go, up and down, up and down, nice and relaxed. Take your time. If anything starts feeling crampy, your calves or your thighs, just stop, relax, and come back to the next exercise. Now raise one leg. We're going to flex, point, flex, point, flex. Just a few more. Flex, one more. Point, flex. You're going to put your foot down and lift your left leg. Point, flex. Point. This is good for the ankles, your feet, your calves. So you're just getting everything nice and loose. You're going to do two more. Point, point, flex. Now put your foot down. Lift your right foot again, and you're just going to make a little circle with your ankle. Go one direction. Now let's go the opposite direction. Good job. All right, now let's do that left foot. Raise it in little circles with your ankles. We want everything nice and loose and comfortable. Just a few more. Great job. Okay, now we're going to do weight shifting in your seat. Put all your weight on the right side, all your weight on the left side, and then on your right, lift your foot and do a heel toe. Left, heel, toe, heel. So this is just going to simulate to your body the walking, how it feels to your calves, your feet, and your entire body. It's just to get used to the practice, get your body comfortable. All right, let's try this again. A little weight shift to the right, weight shift to the left, your right foot, toe, left foot, heel, toe. Try going forward, heel, toe, again. Now if you can go forward farther or stay in the same place, that's great. Now you're going to go back, heel, toe, back towards the chair. Stay in place. Let's go to the right. Ready? Heel, toe. And to the center, heel, toe. Nice and slow. You're going to feel the movement all through your ankles, through your calves. Heel, toe, and back to the center. Great job. All right, let's just do one more set of moves. You've got the weight shifts down, so let's just start with a heel, toe, heel, toe. Nice, simple, slow movement in place. Heel, toe. You're going to go forward, forward. If you can go more forward, that's great, or stay in place. Now you're going to go back. So this is just getting you moving. Now as you're doing all this, next we're going to go to the side. You can always be moving your arms. So after you're comfortable, you could put your arms straight out and make little circles or do any kind of arm movements that you feel might go with your movements. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Let's do some heel raises, both your heels together. Raise, raise your heels, raise, few more. Okay, ready? Now we're going to start stepping again. Heel, toe, back, heel, toe, to the up, forward, heel, toe. You're going to go back. In place. One more time to the right. Woohoo! Doing a great job. Heel, toe. Back to the center. We're going to go to the opposite side. And back to the center. Heel, toe, heel, toe. And rest. You did a great workout today. Now remember, this is just the start. Every day you want to move, you want to breathe, you want to walk. Even if it's only a few minutes sitting in your chair, that's great. And if you'd like to use this video to practice with me, please do if it helps. Be encouraged, be inspired, and stay independent. Thank you for practicing with me today. And remember, it's not about endurance. It's about listening to your body. Even if you do only a few minutes a day, it'll help get you into the routine. So stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time.